Hello, everyone. This is KinCony IoT. Today I will tell you our new OEM service. We can make Android phone smart home automation application for you. Developing a IoT smart system, it's really hard. Up to now, we have spent a total of 7 years in R&D and maintenance. There are a lot of mistakes and failures for post some years. Failures cost many time and many development money. Now we will give you an OEM solution, so that you can build your own smart system products. About the PC software, you can change any text by yourself, such as software title, device icon and name, copyright information. About the phone application, now we can change the Android application name, icon and start page image for you, because Apple Store doesn't allow similar applications uploaded. So iOS system can't do this because of the Apple Store policy. How to do with the Android application. We will supply you 2 images, icon file and start page image file. You just make 2 new files same size as the sample files. Then our engineer will make new APK file for you. You can upload this APK file to your web server. Make QR code for your customers to scan and download. It's very easy to download. Okay, when you are ready to make smart home product market, you can quickly have your own products, you can contact with us. Thanks for watching.